Uh, as I already mentioned in the meeting upstairs, we have gone for the sightseeing where the locations of the coke industries have been established and operate, some of them not. And then we have taken note of those uh, factories, and then we are asking for the information from the concerned department, the legality or illegality of those coke factories, and then we go back to Shillong after we get the information. Then we will see what we will have to do. And then with regard to the second part of the visit regarding the environmental clearance for the mining of Breacher Nut area, we regret today that the forest department have not deputed any officer, but we have seen the area more or less, and we will call them to Shillong, asking for the papers, and then only after we have seen the papers, have a meeting with them, then we can offer any comment.
Nong ya ke komiti pensung haban klai kat bala paban airu ya ke report paban pauru hakim media ikila pendap ya ke kam aku muka cingwan sembe ke joki hagan komiti jang ilaka ya rowe mending sung komen untuk kata-kata maka komiti jang ke environment committee jang ke assembly apa ke cingelam jang ke special pat kumju ke Himalaya belong MLA pat Beru ba lamba jong kajing penmi kejongi haki press dan haki kot kuboa haki yo iru ya kata kajing temu pat kajing persyak kajongi dan kebentar jong haki cook kebetribian hapo jong ke LK jongi ini perpau ya kajing singu kebentar jongi mula sinkia gini kakam deng jong slap pat kena depoy atu ka kejaka kebetribi ki cook idol Patla yo iru dan jom kuat kita ki cook kita terebian kami kermen lamba kecing wan juga kecing wan kami kecing ki kum ka komiti kecing ni ke elakahi di kermen skam ba kene ke komiti kan simpia ya kene ke kam ke bangi kum ki kum jeng elaka bat di kermen bukan long ke seso bukan long ke job dingi kum ki kun jeng elaka nginlat nakini itadam ibami lamba jong kini kiko kapuri but sakawero aden jong kajing konpoi kajongi na katiga ijaka barangkat bang kini kimamba kajongi but nakaliang kajongi sa chisir pat ngiliwa I kumtu kumbagalo pat ngakat yaver ikiwe pat ikun jong ka elaka kajongi bakin skabhaban yami shakmat ban persya yakini ki jingsni ukibami kagani kisngi nagabanta kapateng jong ki khun ki jongi nani ka pateng jong ki bansawan nadani ailat kini pani itip bagi cinga babun kin sami apo jong ke elaka ka punju apo jong district ora ko